My name is Maria Kurbatova. I'm a Salesforce Platform Manager at Protinus IT. I'm responsible for everything around Salesforce at this company. We work with different clouds here and, I'm managing the implementations, the integrations, and so-called 360 Salesforce Platform Management. Protinus IT was founded in 2010 in Houten. We specialize in service called managed sourcing, where we source the best IT solution for our clients. We act as a single point of contact for our customers, managing the contracts. The situation that we were in was the following. We had the generic template that we worked with, but due to our contractual requirements with the different customers, we had to deliver different pieces, for example, specific conditions, the forward before the quotations. In these documents, I saw sales colleagues creating add-ons on this basic template. And basically, we ended up with having multiple templates, and there was not just one or two, so there were 10 and more, and some of them were maybe outdated and something has to be updated, so there was no centralized ways to manage it. When I looked at it, I was thinking, right, we need something that we can manage properly, and there should be always single source of truth. I came across PDF Butler first time when Igor, a founder of PDF Butler, was given a demo at the consultancy company I used to work for. And it was quite interesting how things can be automated, and it was native to Salesforce platform. So that's definitely something that attracted my attention back then. And I know that a lot of clients of us already use that. We use PDF Butler as our main quotation tool. I think the biggest advantage of PDF Butler is that it provides the flexibility for us to manage it from one template, and we leverage the flow functionality of Salesforce. Then we can customize it quickly, but it's also rather flexible. I really appreciate the quick response from PDF Butler support team. Sometimes there are situations that we need to make adjustments quick, and we need to deliver the quote on time. And PDF Butler support team was always so helpful, and that impressed me very much because the changes we asked or the questions that we asked, they were handled with care, and we are really happy with this collaboration.